What's up everyone, Fazil here back with a new video. In this set of videos we will be solving Hacker101 CTF, which starts from the first one, where little something gets started. Let's start the machine. Set up one moment please. Okay, welcome to level 0, enjoy your stay. Let's view the source code. Okay, there is a background image which isn't shown. Let's try getting it. We got our first flag. Let's save it in our flag. We got a flag. Let's copy this and paste it to the. Let's submit this flag here. Submit flag. Okay. Check. Okay. It submitted the flag. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until endless, bye from Fazil. Cheers.